What's up, everybody? I'm here, Hayden West here, and I thought to myself, see, I'm not actually a gamer. Sure, I might play some games here and then, but I'm a farmer at heart. So I thought, well, a farm tour wouldn't hurt nobody, now would it? So, just go over here. This here, stupid thing focus there. That is our play. Well, I don't play on it no more. I kind of outgrew it, but my little cousins like to play on it. Got some tomatoes over there. Sometimes we go strawberries inside that tractor tire. The pond, we fish in it sometimes. Sometimes, not very often. Especially not now because the moss and all that. And we are not protesters. Crap. Stupid thing. Focus. We are not protesters. American. Of course, you guys are probably thinking, we live on a farm. Where's the cows? Where's all the cows at? Just wait. Right now, see over there, kinda. I don't know if you guys can see them or not. Some bulls over there. We got 2 bottle calves. Over here. I don't make the video boring, but yeah. I might play some games, but I'm not full-blown. I'm not like a gamer. Let's see if we can see. All right, 2 bottle calves. We've got one dumb one and one smart one. They're both kind of dumb, but this one's the smarter one. Hey, buddy. He's done. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Must be tired. And here's the dumber one. He doesn't like to suck a bottle, but we can't really pet him because he's laying down. But if he stands up here in a little bit, I might come over here and pet him. I know you want your bottle, don't you? You want your bottle. You can get your bottle here in a little bit. All right, and over here, got a Polaris Ranger and a spraying 4-wheeler. Sometimes I use this for mudding. Not very often though. Got a little skid steer over here. A bale processor. Little Alice Chalmers WD. Big dog lawnmower. Another lawnmower. 2 bicycles. All boring crap. But there is a little bit of a highlight in this barn. My grandpa's little truck here. Second door. He made a close the door. He didn't. Okay. I'm just pulling it from the gate. Feast your eyes. It's a nice truck. It's a stick. It's a custom F-150. It's an Explorer right there. The Explorer stripes and everything. It's pretty mint. Yeah, the dome lights turn on. Still got some battery in it. It's got a T-handle. I don't know if you guys can see very good. But yeah, it's a pretty nice truck. Has that certain smell to it. It's not a bad smell. It's a good smell. It has that good smell to it. It's got a pretty good motor inside of it. I just don't feel like popping the hood. Yeah, it's a Ford too. That's about in the barn, unless, hold up. I don't want to make the video too long. Both my other videos were about if I can remember, 16 minutes long. So, right now we're about 5 minutes in, so. get doors on my farm. I never want to open like this door. You gotta open it from the pull up on the back. I'm gonna turn the light on. All right, still probably can't see. There's our grinder. It's pretty low, but right here. I don't know if you guys can see it that well. Here, I'm gonna see if this light will turn on. Sometimes it doesn't. Yeah, it is. Okay. We've got a old Farmall. It's a International. It's a diesel, actually. It's back when this was made, diesels were pretty rare. If we just put some jumper cables on this, it'll start right away. We don't really have that much use for it. But once I'm older, like high school or something, I'm gonna fix this up, and it's gonna be practically my show tractor. Actually, that right there, I pulled this air compressor out of a junkyard, and I fixed it all up. So the motor wouldn't start on it. I had to, well, I mean, the reason why is because the little cylinder in here was full of wasp and bees, so I had to replace old screws and put some wire on it so it wouldn't come out. And I mean, there's hardly no oil in it because it was draining. There's a hole. These aren't holes, by the way. These here ain't holes. It was draining. There's something in there. Anyway, these aren't, and it leaked out through here. So, and the hose is pretty cracked on it, so I put a new one on it. Some old bicycles. Yeah, we got a lot of old junk. Well, there's a truck again. I guess we could have just went through this way. Don't want to turn the lights off though. Could have just went through that way, but it's too easy. Okay. Here's our room. Kind of store some stuff, the weed eater, furnace. When we go deer hunting, this is where we take a break or something. When we're skinning meat, we skin meat in there where the truck is. We move the truck and we'd hang the deer in there and cut them up. Yeah, this is kind of like the break room. It's got the furnace. Got all the shots for the cows and the fridge. You know, don't worry, there's no pop in there. It's just medicine for the cows and syringes and stuff. Kind of like a little work fridge. But I don't know where my dog is. Copper. Copper. I don't know, he's probably at the neighbors. And then, let's see. I might get a better look at the bulls. Yeah, you guys can see the bulls right there. All hanging out. Surprised they're not fighting. They're normally fighting. The birds are really active tonight. We stacked some hay a few days ago. Hey, stupid thing, focus. A few days ago we stacked some hay. I don't know if you guys can see it now. Yeah, see the changes in bales there. And down here, make sure my grandpa don't want to see me. Down here, we got shot. My phone has a horrible time focusing. Alright. Oh no, I don't have no fancy GoPros or anything. I just got a normal phone. Alright. I've got my green truck over here. It's my favorite truck, actually. It's the one that I drive mostly. She's my baby. It does pretty well in mud, not gonna lie. 5-speed manual. Got a torn seat. The horn works, the AC works, everything works on it. It's alright. Oh, F350 Power Stroke Diesel XL. We don't want that fancy stuff. Here's a shop. No, not much. Just got our Case IH in here. We're not working on it, just place to store it because our storage room's full. This is where we work on all our stuff. And yeah, just here you probably get a good view of the bowls, but you guys probably got a pretty good, decent view over there. But yeah, not much. But over here, this is kind of the heart and soul of all our equipment, kind of. Let's go in here. And wazam! We've got most of our equipment stays in here. Our mower, way back there, we got our planter, our New Holland. I don't normally drive this tractor. It's normally my grandpa that drives it. Our combine, bulldozer, baler, Alice Chalmers 7000. I think I just got done raking with this not too long ago. It's all right. And then this here is our 8050. Normally I cultivate with this. Yeah, actually the rake's still hooked up to it. We got our log splitter. That log splitter over there, that little one right there. That one actually is not ours. Me and my grandpa have a friend named Jimmy. That's actually his. We're just kind of repairing it. Over here, we got campers. Here's our new one. This one here's fixing that one up. Probably, no, I don't want to, that could be for another video called Camper Exploration or something. But that's not all of my farm. Probably gonna make this into a part 2 video. So if you did enjoy it, don't subscribe, smash that like button. Give me as much support as I can. Anyway, I love y'all. Bye.